We're best friends. You guys gonna have some crunchies together? Oh, everybody's excited. We got some strawberry freeze-dried crunchies. Oh, Happy, Meela, who's gonna open them up? Do it at the top. Like Boo showed you guys. Where you going, Meela? Stay right here. We want to be able to see you. Happy's like, hurry, Meela. Teamwork, guys, teamwork. You can do it, Meela. Look. Do we have to have Boo here to show us? Happy says, I think I know what to do. Oh, yeah. Oh. Are they good? You like them? Good stuff? Oh. That is a tasty crunchy. She tried to give one to Happy too. Meela, you making sure everybody has one? She's like, you guys got one? Is that good stuff, Meela? Yes. She likes them. Happy, do you want any more? Want one more maybe? So Crunchies actually sends us a box of stuff about once a month or so, and you guys also send the Crunchies in the mail a good bit. Yeah, they can only have a few of them at a time. If you guys, you may not notice in this video, but I actually give them very small portions. So they've had some fun, they've snacked together and played together. I think Happy's got on Meela's nose a little bit, but that's what Happy does. Yeah, that's what little brothers do. Yeah. Alright, Happy, you get on my arm like you are. That's a good boy. Happy, Meela, you come get on my shoulder, baby. Up here. Give my shoulder, good girl. Alright, so this has been a really cute eating video. These guys like their crunchies very much. Yeah. You gonna give them a kiss, Happy? Yeah. Meela, you got a kiss for everybody, somebody? Somebody give them a kiss. So thank you guys for watching. Meela, give them a kisses.